Hello, welcome to my world. I'm Ashley Pappas, and today we're going to be unbagging the April May Glam Bag. And I know that there's been a lot of concern. People have not been getting their bags on time. Mine kind of tracking wise fell off the face of the earth, but then it just appeared today on my doorstep. So hopefully that's the case if you're waiting for your IPSY bag and the tracking has just gone MIA. So starting off, this theme this month is Full Bloom, and as you can see, the Glam Bag itself is beautiful. It's got the nice, pretty pastel, dusty rose on it, and it's got, I really like the pull for the zipper. The first item in my Glam Bag was one that I chose, and it was the Youth to the People Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. So I'm really excited to use this. This is a deluxe sample. The retail for the full size of this retails at $48. And I'm just gonna open it up and smell it. It smells like a mask. I mean, it kind of reminds me of the Clinique moisturizer, the yellow Clinique moisturizer. It has kind of a weird smell to it, but I think that a lot of highly moisturizing products have that smell, or at least in my experience, I've smelled it a lot. So get glowing while you sleep with this intensely hydrating overnight mask. It uses vitamin C squalene, which mimics skin's natural oils, and antioxidant-rich maca, don't know if I pronounced that right, to brighten you up, help fade dark spots, improve elasticity, and even out your skin tone for a beautiful complexion. Tip is to apply an even layer to clean skin at night and catch some beauty sleep. Next up, we've got the Nomad Cosmetics. It is an intense eyeshadow in Kentucky. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Kentucky. Anyways, so it's this cute little compact here. Just gonna open this up for you. There we go. It's a nice little pretty shade. It's very neutral. And as I'm getting some on my finger, it's very creamy. It just feels really nice. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that there. That's actually a lot more pigmented than I thought it would be. So it is a matte. It's very buttery, creamy, feels awesome. And I'm excited to try this. It's a generous size sample too, which is very nice. This matte toasted almond eyeshadow is the perfect base and transitional shade for blending between your pretty spring shades. It feels like velvet, goes on like butter, and won't crease. Plus, the cruelty-free formula is made without any parabens, phthalates, and talc. For a subtle, smoky eye, apply all over, then along your lash line with a wet brush. And the full size of this retails at $27. Next up, we've got Sugar Cosmetic. This is a full size Wingman waterproof eyeliner in I'll Be Black. Let's see if I can get this open. Very well sealed. Good job, Sugar. It's got that nice felt tip on it. And let's just, right next to this eyeshadow, let's just line. It's very springy. So let's just do this again. There. It seems like it would be easier to get off track with this guy. Cat wings, dramatic wings, or simple flicks. They're all made with this jet black liquid eyeliner. Its firm, easy control tip draws clean, crisp lines every single time. No pro skills required. And the best part, the formula is 100% waterproof, and so once it's on, it's on. Make sure that you shake the pen up before use, store it upside down to prevent the felt tip from drying out. Next up, we've got the Arcelli Grande blending brush, excuse me. It's got a nice little brush head there. Feels, I don't know, it's nothing, doesn't really feel like anything to write home about. Can't hate on a brush though. The only thing you need to blend your shadow like a pro, this dome-shaped brush. It has a tapered tip that makes it easy to apply, blend, and build. Not only are the bristles made of ultra-soft nanosynthetic fibers, they're also 100% cruelty-free and vegan too. Use this to blend highlighter on your brow bones, your nose, wherever you want to glow. And this is obviously a full size. This retails for $14. Last but not least, the Oatmeal Face Scrub. It is by Thon. Fact, when dead scales build up, they can seriously dull your glow. Exfoliating is a surefire way to get your skin smooth and clean and luminous. This non-abrasive scrub uses oatmeal and apricot seeds to buff away dirt and debris, and organic coconut oil to deeply moisturize. Tip, gently massage the scrub onto clear skin in a circular motion. Rinse with warm water. This is a deluxe sample, and this normally retails for $42 for the full size. Overall, I'm really excited about this month's Glam Bag. This guy here, I'm not excited about this. I will use it. Scrub is always a good thing to have on hand. I don't know, I'm just not too fired up about it. This brush, we'll see. Probably not gonna be my favorite one, but again, we'll see. I was very impressed with this eyeshadow. I'm looking forward to using it. I'm very intrigued by this eyeliner because it says that you don't have to be a pro to use it, but I can mess it up, trust me. So I will experiment, see if it actually goes on as easily as they say it does without ending up all over the place, which is my MO when putting on liquid eyeliner, which is why I'm very careful when choosing. And then I'm really excited about the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow. However, I think that maybe this could have been better utilized during the winter months when it was really cold and dry, because this is, from what I've heard, a very thick mask. And so I'm excited. I will be trying this sooner than later, but I've got a feeling that I'm probably just gonna be holding on to this bad boy until it starts to get cold again, which I don't even wanna think about. I wanna get out and enjoy like nice warm weather, so. That was the bag. It's beautiful. I think that this month the bag is probably the best thing, but there you have it. Now let's get into the May spoilers, okay? So these are the items that you might end up with in your May Glam Bag. So the first thing that you could receive in your May Glam Bag is the Nails Ink Nail Polish in Lilac Grove, Primrose Walk, or Camilla Drive. Those are really cute colors, very spring-like. The next thing that you might get is the Estate Cosmetics Do Me Baked Highlighter, and bye! Good spring highlighter is always a good thing. The third thing you might receive is the Goldfaden MD Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. That sounds amazing. And then the Yensa Skin on Skin BC Concealer in Fair Cool, Light Neutral, Medium Warm, Tan Neutral, or Deep Warm. It's a multitasker and a BBCC full coverage concealer. Sounds like fun. And then the last thing that you might end up getting in your Glam Bag is the Farrah Brushes Large Blender. And I think that that is actually something that I would get really excited about. That's a beautiful looking brush right there. I hope I can add that tool to my toolkit next month. And so there you have it. 5 spoilers from next month's IPSY Glam Bag. And if you do not have a IPSY Glam Bag of your very own, just click the link below and we'll get you hooked up. And then real quick, if you're an IPSY Glam Bag Plus member, I'm just gonna toss up on the screen the spoilers for the IPSY Glam Bag plus what you might be receiving in your bag next month. So what did you get in this month's Glam Bag? Are you excited about the items that you received? And are you excited about the May products that are coming out? Thank you so much for joining me. And if you haven't already, make sure to click the little subscribe button down there. So that way you'll get notifications next time there's a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.